Welcome back to another video, you guys. It's your boy Brian Felix here, your favorite YouTube detailing channel, right? Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Appreciate y'all for watching. Got the Mendez merch on. Make sure y'all check out the first link in the description box down below. So we are here at the first client's location, and what we have is I think it's a Ram, or let me actually show y'all. So it's actually a Chevy 2500 HD pickup truck. We're gonna go ahead and do the outside, of course. This thing needs a good wash, a good wash. Just look at the stuff on there. I'm pretty sure most of that stuff won't come off, but it's a work vehicle, so we're gonna try our best to make it look and shine like new again. We're gonna do an full interior cleaning. So we're gonna shampoo these seats up for the client here, make them look brand new again. Got see the before shots. Then we have the seats here as well. Gonna go ahead and make sure we steam these seats off and clean them up nice and good as best as we can. Let's take a look on the door panels there. And then we also have some really bad ugly stains on these door panels there. This is all gonna need to be steam cleaned. Air vents all dusty and stuff. Focus. There we go. Y'all see it's dusty. Needs to be cleaned out. That looks dirty. So the client actually took out a lot of the stuff that was in here because it was pretty bad when I came and saw it. And yeah. Let's go ahead and walk it to the other side. Let's look at the back. Needs a good wash, you guys. It's a big truck. I'm charging $350 for this car. Well, for this truck. It's gonna get a pretty big transformation. Big transformation. ¿Cómo estamos, primo? ¿Todo bien? There we go. Man, this thing is gonna look super good. I'm gonna go ahead since this is my only client, so it's gonna be raining today, right? But it's just gonna be raining later on today. This client, I asked him, he was like, "Hey man, it's cool if you still show up. I need my truck clean really bad. I don't really care about the rain." So we're here. But the next clients that I did have, they canceled on me, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my time on here and get as much content as possible, so that way I have content for the day, right? Go ahead and record videos for our Instagram page, record some reels, take some pictures, record with the camera for YouTube, and just kind of make this truck my content for the week, for the day, just kind of get as much content as possible, right? So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Sit back, relax. I'm gonna go ahead and get set up, plug in, get my heater, my steamer warming up, go ahead and vacuum out the car and stuff like that. So sit back and relax. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, anything like that, leave them down below. Let's get started with this detail, man. Alright, you guys, so first I want to say thank you guys for tuning into this video here. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, because I see 90% of my viewers aren't subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you do so right now. So we have this light carpet here, and when it comes to light carpet like this, it's very tough to kind of remove stains and stuff like that because it's very visible. You know, it might as well just be white at this point. So we tried our best. I just wanted to make sure that I emphasize that we did try our best, and by we I mean me and my cousin, because he actually ended up coming to help me out as I was getting along with the detail. So you guys are seeing me here shampooing and extracting the carpet, because that's what I actually tackled and did first before I even did anything else. Well, I vacuumed first, of course, and then we started shampooing the carpets out, because it was just, it's just the steps that I take, right? So I vacuum first. I go ahead and pre-spray the carpets and stuff. I go get my drill, make sure my batteries are charged, get a couple towels, make sure the steamer's ready to go, and I'm gonna go ahead and get straight onto the carpets, right? So this is just the way that I do things. I make these patterns here but then after, you know, I finish, I just remove them. I know some clients, you know, probably prefer if you left them on there, but for me, I just, you know, I like to keep the like flat look on the carpet. You know, these design things, you know, if you leave them on for quite a while, they probably, you know, tend to stay on the carpet. I know on Mercedes Benz and stuff like that, they do tend to like stay that way if you leave them like that. So, anyways, I have this drill here, so I wanted you guys to know that everything that I'm using here is very affordable, right? So this drill here is probably like 60, 70 bucks, and I actually just bought another one because the battery went bad on one of them, and it was like 60, $70 for a battery, and I was like, I mean, I might as well just buy another one at that point because they're pretty much the same thing, right? I might as well just buy a new drill instead of buying a new battery. So, anyways, I bought that drill on Amazon for like 60, maybe even 50 bucks, and then the steamer was like 200 bucks and stuff like that. So, you don't really need a lot of stuff to get this, you know, type of results, type of end result here. I think we charged around 350 to $400, which in my opinion was a deal because, like I said, this thing was in really bad shape, and I'm pretty glad about, you know, the end results and stuff like that. But the client actually ended up texting me telling me, hey, you missed a couple of spots, this and that. And in my mind, I'm just thinking like, wow, like, you know, this thing was atrocious. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it was in really bad shape. So, you know, the fact that he was like trying to uh low ball my quality of work and stuff like that, trying to make me lower my price for him because I missed a couple of spots was just kind of like, I don't know. It was just kind of like, wow, man, like I put in all this work and stuff, and you know, your truck is just done. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's only so much we can do as detailers. And then I'm not trying to knock off, you know, the client and stuff like that. I'm not trying to talk, you know, crap. But, you know, it's just only so much that we can do as, you know, detailers. And I feel like sometimes a lot of clients, a lot of people think that we're some type of magicians and stuff like that. And we could just magically make everything that they see disappear. So I'm just showing you right here, we are extracting. I usually use the extractor all the time, and sometimes I don't record because I just don't have the time to. But since I said in the beginning of the video, this was my only car for the day, so I kind of just recorded entirely everything from start to finish on this full interior cleaning. Now, I did the outside as well, but I'm going to make that a separate video because it's just entirely too long already. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this so far. I'm going to go ahead and be quiet, show you guys some of the after results and stuff like that. I don't really have too much to say. You guys are seeing my cousin Ali Malay here working on the seats and stuff, and I'm at this point I was still extracting seats and stuff, but I decided to kind of get some footage of him detailing before he got done with doing the work, because as soon as he arrived we kind of just started speeding stuff up, and I was just trying to make sure I tried my best to capture everything, but it was just very difficult to do so. So here are some looks at the after shots. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, comment any questions, any concerns, any advice, anything like that you guys might have for me, any products that you want me to try, comment down below. And yeah, man, enjoy the video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Let's go. Part 2 is coming soon. The outside wash and stuff like that is going to be my next video, so stay tuned for that. Alright, you two, so we are all done with the interior detail. Now, you know, we did the best we did, or the best we could with the interior here. Now it came out how it came out. Put this dang seat down. You know, it looks a lot better, but like I said, we did the best we can, or could. Door panels were all cleaned up. Some of these things like weren't coming off. I don't know why, they're just not coming off, no matter what product or what tool we use. Steamer, extractor, anything we use was just, you know, not working. So we cleaned up the air vents. Everything is nice and clean on the inside. We'll go ahead and start closing the doors because we're ready for the outside. These door jambs are dirty, man. Look at that. Yeah, man, this thing needs some loving on the outside too. So coming around this side, gas cap, dirty. Look at that, dirty. So yeah, we made sure we took these things off, cleaned underneath them. I mean, you know, we did the best we could, you guys. I can't stress that. So look at that. Didn't come off. didn't come off. Steamer, a strong dilution on the chemicals, just overall. But it looks a lot better. We're just gonna go ahead and knock out the exterior now. Knock out the outside wash and stuff. Let me make sure this is unlocked because we don't have the keys. So this thing here was in the middle center console. It had some quarters and pennies stuck on it. So I just ended up spraying some Goo Gone on it to try to release it, try to make it easier for the dirt to come off. And what I used was this Goo Gone right here. That's what we used. So let's see if it takes it off. I'm really hoping that it does. Yeah, we're gonna start the outside wash. Actually starting to drizzle now. Felt a little bit of rain, but we're gonna still knock out the exterior for the client here, just so we can get that full check. You know what I'm saying? Get that full check. So yeah, let's go ahead and knock this out then.